14 years of handcrafted tailoring is a massive selling point. When you see a beautiful dress marked down from over $200 to just $85. Mercer and Bloom started showing up on my social media feeds recently, and I had to stop scrolling because the aesthetic was so refined. It captures that specific San Francisco boutique vibe that suggests high-end luxury and timeless style. The website looks polished and clean. It tells a heartfelt story about a legacy in the fashion world. Most people see a goodbye sale like this and feel a sudden rush of urgency. You want to grab a piece of that history before the doors close for good. But the internet is often just a house of mirrors. When I started digging into the actual bones of this operation, the whole thing crumbled in an instant. That 14-year heritage they brag about is a complete work of fiction. I looked up the registration for the actual website domain. It has not been around for over a decade. It has been live for exactly a few weeks. You are looking at a brand that claims a legacy predating its own digital existence by nearly 14 years. That is not a simple mistake. It is a deliberate lie designed to manufacture trust. There is no physical store address listed anywhere. There is no phone number to call if your package goes missing. All of the product identifiers look like the generic tags used by bulk suppliers in overseas factories. This is a classic scam playbook. These groups use a clean template to look professional, then they invent a sentimental or tragic reason to hold a massive sale. The Better Business Bureau has warned people about these fake going out of business sales for years. The strategy is to make you move fast. If you think the deal is gone tomorrow, you might not stop to check the facts. But the facts are pretty wild. The biggest red flag was hidden right on their contact page. When you hover over the support email for Mercer and Bloom, it does not even link to their own site. It opens up a message for a completely different fake fashion brand. It is the exact same template likely run by the same group with a different name slapped on the header. They did not even bother to update the underlying code for their different storefronts. It is like a movie set where the front is a beautiful mansion, but the back is just cheap plywood. This is not a situation where you might just get a low-quality dress. This is a predatory storefront wearing a boutique costume. If you already gave them your credit card info, call your bank right now. Do not wait for a tracking number that will likely lead to a dead end. Tell your card company that this is a fraudulent site. These operations disappear as fast as they arrive. They grab the cash, shut down the site, and relaunch under a new name within days. We have to stay sharper than the ads in our feeds. A pretty layout is never a substitute for a real reputation. If a brand claims to be a local legend but has no history before last month, walk away. You are not missing a sale. You are avoiding a trap